less than what it was. Because in those days, everybody visited and all the kids came over and we all had big get-togethers. Kids got to play and run and do whatever they wanted.
Go down to the river.
About my uncle and that catfish, we all had a good laugh about that because it was in his brick. Hey, he caught a fish.
I did so many things.
But that
Oh,
was
I
another
didn't
funny.
think I'd let my kids do it.
But anyway, that's kind of where I come from. And I got all my brothers and sisters. Nieces and nephews, grandchildren. There was 3 of us. Dwayne, James, and me. And we lost our oldest brother. And so that makes me oldest of all our family from Irene. So I guess everybody kind of looks towards me for some help sometimes. I'm glad that they think about me like that. And it's nice being the older brother sometimes. But anyway, I guess that's about all I got to say. Is that
Good.
on that Edsco line where I come from, and I got to see my great grandma and Annie Big. Yeah.
Fried bread and chicken.
Corn and chicken.
And all my uncles, they went on. Rupert and Annie.
Baby dumpling's still here.
They were a lot of fun. But I guess that's about all I got to say for now.
Oh,
Good.
good.
I'll probably think of something after I go home.
Yeah. That's good, Clarence.
Also, I want to add that Pauline, when all this stuff was there, Pauline was right in the middle of it. Yeah, she used to be part of the family. She used to be right in there.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, she cropped up. Yeah. They got pictures of her on a horse over there somewhere. Emma Sue had a picture of her. Her
Henry Stein.
Another here, my stepson, Josh. Right here. That's my wife, Rochelle. Glad to be here. Nice seeing everybody here. I didn't know there was that many of us, but that's I guess so.
Yeah.
That's about all I can say. Good to see y'all.
Yeah.
We'll get ready to eat here in a minute, okay? And I guess what we're gonna do is just line up and go through that. And so just hang around a little bit. As soon as it gets done, they'll go.
Well, my name is Mary Dora Kaspinski. I'm named after my maternal grandmother and my paternal grandmother. And they told me to get up to tell you a story. I come from a Henrietta Walker family. I'm the oldest daughter. The thing that I remember most about growing up as a young child is that I was always the white settler. Got shot in the stomach with BB guns by my brothers.
Yeah,
My
that's
legs and my
funny.
arms pulled apart, and the bicycle, they rode over my stomach. I guess it's my start. And every time I told my mom and dad, especially my dad, what my brothers, that they were mean and they made me cook and clean the house, where they got spanked and stuff when they would leave, I'd always get beat So I learned how to climb trees real good. I learned how to run. I learned how to read books so I wouldn't get in trouble. I still read books today. And right now I'm 55 years old, and next May I'll graduate finally from college. I'll have a bachelor's degree with general education and a minor's in substance abuse. And I'm glad to be here. I'm glad to see each and every one of you, even you, John, and Ray. Glad to see y'all. Dee. I know you're all my mother's people. It's good to be with y'all.
Good.
I've been exercising. Way back.
Oh, let's see, just a palm.
Where'd you get that? Faraday. Oh, really?
What y'all do? Oh, is that the light? Yeah. Oh, Sam. Turn it on. Come on, we're taking pictures. Come on.
Sit down there, Lee.
Here, come sit over here. Come stand on and have some
Yeah, right here.
Hey, some of y'all can sit right there and sign that.
Last one over here, right next.
Don't get all fussy.
Go get in the picture, Stanley.
I'll split y'all out.
He stink. He stinks. He don't somewhere.
Come on, Marlene. It's gonna be right next.
Now, how many Oscases we got here? Are you Kiscos? Move over there. Yeah, Kiscos. How many Kiscos?
We can still be seen in the
Oh, good. Yeah, you're Oscas, like me.
Who's Cameron?
Okay, we had all the Oscars as war hoop now. Everybody war hoop.
Okay. I heard y'all be louder than that, just talking to each other.
Yeah.
Say.
Now you guys got to get Marquita and Jennifer in here too. They're the ones that put it all together.
Yeah.
No, we're going to. Okay, let's find them. Who's our oldest person here? Who's our oldest person? All right, Doreen, you're on the camera here. All right. Give those younger kids words of wisdom. Something that they can remember.
Quit smoking cigarettes.
Who else is Okay. Dad, give a word of wisdom. What? Say it again. Right.
Then you gotta go to Glenn Murdoch. He's
Okay.
crying over here.
He's still learning his wisdom. Okay, we got.
¿Qué le notáis?
He's got no wisdom.
Gave it away.
Anybody else got a word of wisdom? John, you always got something to say. Laura?
May you always have toilet paper when you go to the bathroom.
Where is Clarence at?
Right there.
Okay. Clarence, word of wisdom. Be good to people. That's good.
Then go to
Even if they're Quiscos, huh?
Okay, Laura.
Be good to your family.
Be good to your family.
Love your kids.
Love your kids.
Go to Mary over there.
Okay, Mary.
I used to belong to the 4-H club. They said a family stands together when they have love, affection, and understanding.
All right.
Alright, that sounds original.
Okay, we want to hear from somebody young. Where's
My old
I don't know this little guy's name right here.
Jalen.
Jalen. Would you like to tell all the people something? He's shy. Satita?
And don't drink.
Oh,
Don't drink.
from a child. Don't drink.
What did you say to Uncle Don?
You got something to say? No? Okay, let me see who else I'm going to pick on over here. Don't Robert?
Always care about other races too, because they got feelings too.
Yeah. Desiree. Where is Desiree? Okay, Desiree. Desiree?
Say mom's words, don't almanac when your mom's around.
Okay. Jennifer?
Neuter your pets.
What? No.
Neuter your pets.
Oh, neuter your pets, guys. All right. Anybody else? I'll tell you what I think.
Hurry, tell us.
Oh, I forgot Stanley. I'm still recording. Go, Stanley.
Had a good time.
Jonathan, your partner.